Today I'll be reviewing the Oraimo Rock True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'll be reviewing these Oraimo Rock True Wireless Earbuds that I bought about 3 weeks ago, and I'll give my insights based on those 3 weeks on the features that I like and don't like about them. So let's get right into it. The first thing I like about the Oraimo Rock True Wireless Earbuds is that they're budget friendly. I bought them at around 2100 Kenyan shillings from Jumia, but from the official Oraimo store they cost around 1900 Kenyan shillings. So they are very budget friendly if you're looking for quality on a budget. The second thing I like about the earbuds is that they have long lasting battery. For example, the last time I charged them was about 3 days ago. On a single charge they offer about 8 hours of playtime and 16 extra hours with the casing. Mine lasts for about 3 days because when I'm in the house I prefer using my wired earphones, so every time I step out is when I use the earbuds. The third thing I like about the earbuds is that they offer amazing sound and bass quality. Before I decided to go with the Oraimo Rock earbuds, I had tested the sound quality and the bass quality on Oraimo with my friends Oraimo FreePods, and with a budget of around 2000 I think these have amazing sound quality. They also offer noise cancellation, so when you're studying or when you're working or when you don't want to be distracted, you can comfortably use the earbuds. The other thing is that they are tiny in size and fit, and so you can wear them in public without having to worry about them falling off when you jump or when you're working out. They also have an amazing microphone, especially when you're in a call, so you can judge the audio since what you're hearing right now is from the earbuds. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. There is a feature that I haven't tested, and that is the waterproof. Hey. Now there is a feature that I haven't tested, and that is the waterproof test, and I don't think I am in the capacity to try and risk these earbuds because I really like them. On to the feature that I don't like. The earbuds have some latency, especially when you're gaming or you're watching a video on TikTok or Instagram. You'll realize that the audio and the video contain some latency, and so I wouldn't recommend these earbuds for gaming. Connecting the earbuds is pretty simple. You just have to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, tablet or laptop and remove one earbud from the casing of both of them, and it will simply connect. And so for the Oraimo Rock True Wireless Earbuds, I would definitely recommend them. If you're looking for quality on a budget, you should definitely buy them. So I hope this video was helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and also follow my Instagram page. The link is in the description. So see you on the next one.